Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Shivani and I hope life is treating you all kindly. Yes. So today I will discuss about law of attraction, or we can say law of supply. Yes. So what is it? Have you ever observed that maybe you have thought about any eating items? Okay, why I am talking about an eating item? Yes, because we love to eat, I believe. So whenever we think about to eat anything, maybe it is for some hour, maybe it is for 1 day, 2 day, we have definitely observed that the thing which we were thinking, it came to us. We got that thing after some days. Yes. So my dear friend, whatever you can say law of attraction or you can say law of supply. That means आप जो कुछ भी सोचते हो, it affects. Yes, because we know about the energy. We all are energy. Yes, our universe is full of energy. And we say sometimes frequency. When we make friendship, how do we able to make friendship? Because their frequency matches, like my frequency matches to anyone, and I say this is my best friend. It's all about the energy, it's all about the frequency. When it matches, we became bestest. Yes. So there is a line in Sanskrit, यद भावम तद भावति, यद भावम तद भवति. दैट मीन्स जैसा सोचोगे वैसा होगा, जैसा तुम्हारा भाव होगा वैसा तुम्हें मिलेगा. तो sometimes we are very much excited for anything and we are continuously thinking about that, we get those things definitely. If you didn't observe it, so start observing from today. It happens or not. Why I am telling you this? Because it's a small thing, but these small things, like how we think, we get, you can make your life best. Yes. So thank you for listening me.